So here's to my first collaboration video with JT from Run and Gun Photography. Well, as I said in the beginning, this is my first collaboration video, and I'm actually really excited because I use Instagram a lot, right? So it's pretty common to do collaborations with other Instagrammers, but I hadn't done this before with another YouTuber, you know? It's kind of hard since there aren't any other photography YouTubers in Korea. Like they're all in the States or Germany or Britain or other countries, you know? You guys might remember JT from Run and Gun Photography. I actually gave him a shout out in photography YouTube channels you should be following, right? And we keep in touch through Twitter and Instagram. We thought it'd be a pretty good idea to do this collab. I even made a new playlist called Collaborations. I'm hoping to expand it. I'm actually going to do one in the future with Danae and Andrew over film photography, and I've even been talking to Bach Photography, which does a lot of portraits, and that's actually my weak point, but it's actually a nice challenge. But anyways, if you're like a small channel or medium-sized channel or whatever channel, hit me up, give me a shout out, and I hope we can do one also. Back to JT. He does a lot of videos, kind of like tips and tricks kind of videos, a lot of photography stuff in general, a lot of photography vlogs, and like behind the scenes kind of shooting. I think you guys would really enjoy his work. It's very, very top-notch, high quality, very polished. Really cool guy. And here's what we did. First of all, he sent me some of his pictures and I sent him some of mine. And the deal is we're going to try and edit these photos in our own styles, you know. So for me, I'm very weak when it comes to people's portraits because I'm more of like street photography, environment over people. So for me, it was kind of a challenge, but I think you really enjoy my edits of his pictures. And likewise, if you go to his channel, you can see his edits of my pictures. So I'm gonna put down his link down below, and this is my first time doing this, so let's see what we can do. And hopefully if you're a photographer watching this channel, we can do a collab too. Like just hit me up and we can do something like this. So here's JT's YouTube channel. It's Run and Gun Photography. As you can see, he's been at it for quite a while. He's got some pretty good hard-hitting videos. Here you go, portrait lighting for beginners, how to use Instagram Insights, and how I doubled my IG followers. I'm going to show you the pictures that he took, and then I'm going to show you my edit. So I'm going to open up Lightroom. Here are the raw files that he sent me. So here are the shots that JT sent me. He actually sent me more than 5, but I wanted to choose the top 5 that I liked because I had a different theme in mind. These are the raw images. And he's got a pretty cool looking model. I like her hair. Very nice. As you can see, the pictures are a little bit underexposed, which is what you should be doing when you take pictures of lights. Anyways, let's get to my edits and see what I came up with. So first of all, I don't know how many of you play League of Legends, but I saw this picture of one of the characters, which was Sona, and I thought that I would like to do the same thing with one of his pictures. So this is the image that I made based on this image from Google search images. So I think it came out pretty cool. And you can see the original photo over here. So this is JT's picture, and here's my edit. Now I want to point out that I'm actually not very good with portraits, but I think I really enjoyed doing this. It was kind of a challenge for me. So this is a picture by Brandon Wolfo. I really like the tones in his picture, and this is the picture that I edited. So it really comes down to the subject, but here's the way JT had the picture. So this is JT's original image, and this one is mine. Once again, JT's picture and mine. Now I tried to match the style of Brandon Wolfo. Not sure how close I get to it since I don't usually work with models and the lighting is always way different. But I did try my best and I think it came out pretty nice. This is a scene from Blade Runner 2049, and I very much like these colors. So I wanted to use these colors in JT's picture. This is what I came up with. Actually, this image didn't require that much editing, and this is his original picture. So I think I didn't do too much editing in the picture, and it came out pretty well. So yeah, this is his photo, this one's mine, and these are the tones from Blade Runner 2049. So I didn't edit this one too much. These are some really kind of palette cotton candy like colors that I came across online, and I wanted to put them in the photo that JT took. So this is what I came up with, and here's his original picture right here. So I really try to vary my own styles here, trying to do different things and trying to play around with the colors, because I think Lightroom is a way to, so I think you shouldn't limit yourself when it comes to photography. Like, you should try and do anything and everything. So very pastel like, and I really much, I do like it, you know. Finally, or actually I think we have two more pictures. This is the picture that I edited in my own style. So if you look at my Instagram, I use these colors quite a bit. And here is the original picture. The colors are completely different, but this is my kind of cyberpunk style photo, and you'll find this a lot in my Instagram. I also did the same thing with the next photo right here. Actually, I had altered carbon in mind when I edited this one, but it's not too different from the original. Here is his image, and here is mine. So this is more my style, and this is his shot. So overall, I think this was a really pretty cool collab. I especially like this picture. And if anyone's watching this, please give me a shout out, and maybe we can do the same thing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was really fun doing this collaboration. Like I said, I already have a collaboration playlist, so I'm hoping to keep that expanding, right? And these days I can't really go out and shoot with the winter and the pollution and all, but at least I can come up with some nice photography content for you guys. You know, I really enjoy making videos, and I really have that itch to go out and make some more videos. But anyways, please be sure to visit JT's channel, Run and Gun Photography. Leave a like and comment, because to us YouTubers, that's basically currency, you know. And yeah, I'm really glad you guys watched my videos, and see you around.